it's been really difficult for you, but you just have to get through the treatments. On the bright side, I have tea. Come on, talk to me.
I'm going out for a bit. See you later.
Okay, well, just promise me you'll get some rest. You'll feel better soon. I believe in you.
Hey, this is my bench.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. You can... This is my bench. It has my name on it, see?
What? Oh, so you're what? A ghost or something? That's where I'm at now. Talk to ghosts, am I?
Goodness, you must be practically dying to talk to me. Literally, actually dying. If you can talk to me, then you must... Poor dear. It's not that bad, really. You know, I'm dead, and look at me, I'm Stella. Would you like to hear about my death? It's tragic, really. Want to know?
No, not really.
Do you want me to save you space on this bench or not?
I think I'll pass.
We'll talk about it later. When you join me, we'll have all the time in the world to think about our thoughts and... Do you like pictures? We can go to the pictures for free. We can go anywhere for free because we're, well, invisible and it's like you don't even really exist. So, being a ghost isn't that bad. It's great.
What about him over there? You're what? A vampire?
Fantastic observation, darling. You look absolutely delicious. What's your blood group?
O?
Just my type.
Get off my bench.
Ghosty, you're just jealous because you're lacking in the corporeal department.
At least I can lounge in the sun.
I can. My sunscreen routine is flawless. It takes time to look this good, though I haven't aged a day for centuries. Darling, it's wonderful being a vampire. You get to live forever. The nocturnal lifestyle is to die for. Join me, and you'll never be sick again. Let me give you a taste of immortality. You can sink your teeth into luxury.
Because your life's complete when your wardrobe's from the Halloween shop.
I'll live my afterlife how I want to. More than you can. I can drink till dawn, bottles, people, act however I want. Because I'll recover just fine. That could be you. I can save you, darling.
You don't want to be a vampire. They're so untrustworthy. The minute you let him, he'll eat you. You want to be a ghost. You can go anywhere and everywhere without even asking for permission. It's great.
And to do what exactly?
Watch things.
You know, she'd be mad. You know, darling, are you listening?
Dear, do you see, dear?
Can you both just shut up? I'd rather die than...
You really don't mean that. Come with me.
You know what I said? I didn't mean it.
I know. They lived long ago, yet they refused to move on. You, however,
I don't want to go.
people rarely do.
Please, I haven't... My treatments, my sister.
You will see her again, if you choose to go on, however painful it may be.
I think I'll keep fighting.
Very well. I'll be waiting.
Hey, you're back. You let the tea go cold. Sorry. It's okay. I'm in a new one. Thanks. I'm gonna be okay.
So, come here often?
Don't.